welcome back to another.
And it's Dublin's first time.
Welcome back to another video. I know our channel has a lot of focus on Dublin so far, but
It's his first time at Nature Reserve.
it is his first time at the Nature Reserve, and he's already met a lot of puppies, and everyone loves him. There's Mommy.
And we met a cute dog.
Dog whisperer.
And we already
yeah,
met.
okay.
And we already met a cute dog.
Come on, Dublin. So we're gonna try. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. I'm walking.
There's trails. You want to follow the trails?
There we go. We actually are getting him to walk around. But he's never been here before.
So we have these rocks in our helmet. He doesn't like them, so we're gonna get him up here.
Yeah, I think he's very excited to be here. And just wanna explore.
Come on, babies. Come on, you like it here? Do you like it? Yeah, come on.
Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Oh, look at it. Where's he going?
Where are you going?
Today is gonna be one of our longer videos.
Like
Let's try not to get him pooping or peeing on the camera. Yeah, he didn't. Wait, right. That's right. That's right. Mom, can you hold the camera? Can you hold it? Can you film?
Mm-hmm.
Don't go.
Mommy
shaking,
here.
Mom.
Oh, what?
No.
Okay.
You haven't seen me yet.
There she is. Come on, Dubs.
Come on, Dubs. I told all our friends not to jam.
We're at the beautiful EHT Nature Reserve.
So,
This is Dublin's first time.
oh, that's so.
He doesn't know what to do or what to think, and he's loving it. He's loving it.
Yeah. Let the thing go free.
Not too free. It's wet down there.
Not too free, but you know, free enough to where he can get over there. Well, just look at that view. Like,
The sign says no ice skating over there, and it's not even cold out.
he wants to get to the water.